Hi, I'm Chef Neil with the Carlisle Culinary Team. Today we would like to introduce you to our new Griptite 2 serving tray. Built from the ground up, this patent-pending tray is unmatched in both quality and durability. The long-life, non-skid surface grips drinkware and plates better than the competition. With less slip and tip, this tray allows you to hold the glass at a steeper angle when needed, which in turn helps to reduce spills, breakage, as well as overall cost of your operation. The beautiful coated surface resists staining, which helps ensure the tray will look good after each use. Because the coating wraps around the tray edge, it acts as a bumper against the heavy daily use seen in most operations. These trays have been put through rigorous testing, including drop and impact tests, to ensure they excel in both function and durability. Once again, our team has created another innovative product to help you operate more efficiently while also saving you money.